How to upload videos in Google Drive and share the link. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me go through quick and easy and how you can upload videos on Google Drive and share its link. Well, let's get straight into the video. First things first, you can open Google Drive and make sure that you are signed in. Simply tap on sign in and you can simply add in. Here I'll just tap on done. Right. Once you're on the drive, what you can do is you can tap on the plus icon there on the screen. Then you can tap on upload file and now proceed to select photos and videos. Here I'll select photos and videos and now I'll allow full access and then go ahead and proceed to upload a particular video here, right? So I'll select upload. Once you have uploaded it here, it'll take some time to upload. You can see here less than almost finishing and now it is uploaded. Now you can rename it to whatever you want, but I'm here just doing it quick. Simply tap on three dots here. Then first you want to select manage access option. Now make sure to follow this step. You can see only people added can open this with link. Simply tap on it and you can again tap on restricted and you want to select anyone with the link so that anyone with the link will be able to view it, right? Then next step, what you can do is you can simply tap on three dots, tap on share, and now you can share it. Now you can either copy the link as well. So you can either tap on three dots there and then tap on copy link, and now you can paste the link to anyone that you wish to send on Messenger or Viber or WhatsApp or Discord. You can share them the link. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.